friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making fried bologna in the air fryer. So what we need is bologna and a non-stick cooking spray so it doesn't stick to the air fryer. So let's open the air fryer basket and spray the inside with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to spray, you can also brush the bottom of the basket with olive oil or vegetable oil. And now let's put a few slices of bologna in the air fryer. For best results, put them in a single layer, so it'll just put 3 slices. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer, and I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious fried bologna. That looks amazing, so good. And now you can eat it as is or make a bologna sandwich with it. So I'm just going to make a sandwich. I will take out 2 slices of bread. And now you can add your condiments. I'm going to use mayo and mustard. So mayo for 1 slice of bread and mustard for another slice. And now let's put bologna on a sandwich. Wow, looks so good. And now, if you'd like, you can add a slice of cheese. And a fried bologna sandwich is ready. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. I'm so hungry. This sandwich looks so good. This is amazing. This is a perfect lunch, so easy to make. You're going to love making fried bologna in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!